You know what's been on my mind lately? It's
What's
how many
that?
common SEO mistakes people are still making in 2024.
Oh, absolutely. It's surprising, isn't it? Which ones stand out to you the most?
Well, first off, not aligning content with search intent.
Right.
I mean, it's like writing a recipe when someone wants a restaurant recommendation.
Exactly. And then they wonder why they're not ranking.
Yeah, it's crucial to understand what users are actually searching for. Without that, your content just misses the mark completely.
Speaking of missing the mark, not setting clear SEO goals is another big one. Oh, definitely. It's like going on a road trip without a destination.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You need to know where you're headed to measure your progress.
And what about underestimating internal links? People still overlook them. For sure. Internal links are like the veins of your website, connecting everything together.
Right. They help search engines understand the structure of your site and distribute link equity.
But you know, some folks focus so much on backlinks that they forget internal links even exist. True, but internal links are completely within your control. It's a missed opportunity if you ignore them.
Exactly. And not using a caching plugin is another mistake that affects site
Oh,
speed.
absolutely.
Slow websites drive users away faster than anything.
Yeah, it's 2024. No one has the patience for a slow-loading site anymore. Ha ha ha. So true. A caching plugin is such an easy fix for that.
Speaking of easy fixes, ignoring local SEO is a big misstep for local businesses.
Right.
If you have a physical location, optimizing for local search is essential.
And yet, so many businesses haven't even claimed their Google My Business listing. It's baffling, isn't it? They're leaving so much on the table.
Another one that gets me is not having a mobile-optimized website. With
Yes.
mobile-first indexing, it's non-negotiable now.
Exactly. Most users browse on their phones, so a site that's not mobile-friendly is it's just shooting itself in the foot. Couldn't agree more.
And not optimizing your XML sitemap? That's like not giving Google a map to your website.
Right.
You're making it harder for search engines to index your pages.
But don't you think Google can find your pages without a sitemap? Well, they can, but why rely on that? A sitemap ensures they find everything efficiently.
Fair point. And creating evergreen content is so important for long-term traffic. Content that remains relevant keeps bringing in visitors over time.
Plus, updating your content regularly signals to search engines that your site is active. Exactly. It helps maintain and even improve your rankings.
Not doing enough keyword research is another big mistake.
Oh, for sure.
Without it, you're not targeting what people are actually searching for.
And people sometimes skip it because they think they know what their audience wants. Yeah, but data tells the real story. Tools like SEMrush are invaluable here.
Speaking of tools, not converting brand mentions into backlinks is a missed opportunity.
Definitely.
It's one of the easiest ways to build high-quality links.
Just reach out and ask. Most people are happy to link back when they've mentioned you. Exactly. It's about being proactive.
Now, underestimating title tags and meta descriptions, that's another area where people slip up.
Right.
They might not be direct ranking factors, but they impact click-through rates.
And if no one clicks on your link, what's the point of ranking? Haha, exactly. It's all connected.
Using too many pop-ups and email capture forms can really hurt user experience. It's
Oh, I
so
hate
frustrating when you're bombarded with pop-ups.
Yeah, it's like, let me read the content first. Exactly. Exit intent pop-ups are a better alternative. They're less intrusive.
And they respect the user's experience. It's about finding that balance between marketing and usability.
Ignoring data from analytics is another big mistake. Absolutely. Without analyzing your performance, how do you know what's working?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Regularly reviewing analytics helps refine your strategy.
Lastly, neglecting EAT, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, is a huge oversight. Totally agree. Google's placing more emphasis on these factors than ever before.
Building authoritative backlinks, having detailed author bios, and getting genuine reviews all contribute to EAT.
Right.
It's about establishing trust with your audience and search engines.
So, wrapping up, avoiding these common mistakes can significantly boost your SEO efforts. Absolutely. Staying updated and attentive to these details makes all the difference.
Well, this was a great discussion.
It sure was.
Hopefully, our listeners will take these insights to heart.
I'm sure they will. Until
Yeah.
next time, let's keep optimizing.